Girl, it cool down, don't my temper. Come back cool my temper. Girl, it cool down, don't my temper. Come back cool my temper. Girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it down, girl, it down.
It's gonna be very simple. Just go up with the drone, take some shots of the tree in the pool, everything. Get some shots on ground with them. Take some short clips for their reels as well. And we got a new flash. We're gonna try that out. Just take some shots with it, see if it works good on both Sony cameras. And that's basically it. Calm vibe to it, you know. The pool a bit small, you check it out. I have to stay real close for that pool. Yesterday was really bad. If we had to shoot yesterday, I'd say but today the place looks good. Yeah, man.
Alright. I don't know, we still waiting on the tree. Could try and fix up the flash, that's what I was trying to do. Could try and fix up the flash, but the flash, that's a fresh flash and an old trigger, so you know, we have a technical difficulty for now. Hopefully could figure it out. Yeah. So now that we just scoping the place, seeing how things going. Check. We have some lovely talents. Don't worry.
Body on fire, yeah. Cool it down. Come make a tissue proper. Girl, let me.
People see them. More people see them.
Oh yeah.
They should have started that when like September when Shren going back to school.
That's the best time.
For them to do that.
Now there.
Because it's slow, they don't
Can we put it on my number and people texting me? Hey, get me dirty now.
I think I get back already, you know.
Oh, we are not giving the fuck up.
The flash, we cannot give up on the flash because it harsh, and we seen it better with the reflector, so that's what we're about to use. The sun at the peak there. What time is it? We're like 12, so you know the sun in the middle of the sky, so it will be a thing to reflect it, but you know that's how the games go. That's Sean there. Sean there.
Try not to. If I do, y'all can't laugh. Y'all just gotta hold it till y'all get back on your side of the island. Then y'all can laugh at me.
Now we will have to be dangerous.
Yeah, it is. Hold on.
You have that natural fun. You don't take out the filter?
Yeah.
Filter making it very soft.
I was wondering if it's a thing you had there.
You could use the I'm going ball.
Vibe safe. Yeah. It's some kind of water. I bring up Sean, check Sean.
Oh. You're doing a bit. My fat face.
Yeah, boy. You did a better job than me.
What you bugging for, my darling? Girl, you come and cool my temper. Got your body so
Like, yeah, tilted to her, and she just watching straight.
Girl, it cool down. Girl, it down. Don't mind temper. Girl, it down. Girl, it down. Come and cool my temper. Girl, it down. Girl, it cool down. Don't mind temper. Girl, it down. Come and
Okay, so I'm gonna video. I'll tell you guys. What do you mean? Pizza.
What is wrong with you? I know, like.
The man just feel I have it bad out for them. I did taking a shot, the man on the floor. Check the man there. But the shot's going good. We just go on top there because the wind air kinda keep going in and out. So we just come on top there to get some shots. But the shots come out very lovely, especially the pictures. Oh, I can put some of that there in for you. Like tough. The models great. Like you couldn't ask for better models. But we're getting some shots. We should basically finish, but you know we're getting some extra content in order to make sure we get what we needed. But the vibe and everything, vibe nice, you know.
So everybody just doing a different pose. So probably one person lying down, one person sitting, one person standing. So just coordinate.
Down, don't my temper. Come back with my temper. Get it go down, don't my temper. Come back with my temper. Get it down, get it down. Get it down, get it down. Get it down, get it down. Get it down, get it down.
Wait, he's Sean Paul?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Sean Paul.
Sean Paul.
Sean Paul, I said
Okay.
I'm sorry. She said, nice to meet you, Sean Paul. DeMarco. And Dexter Dax. That's what you just said to that. Sean Paul. Vibes Cartel.
No, I didn't. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. No, but like I got all you guys' names like at the beginning, and I'm not good with names, so I was like, wait, everyone's name at the beginning. So she had that. I remember your name though, because I struggled at Kurt.
Dexter Dax. You got his kids.
It was nice to see you guys.
Take care.
We'll see you on the ground.
Alright.
Yeah. It's nice to meet you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Aerial content and also shots on the ground, pool shots. We normally get those kind of shoots with like influencer girls coming to St. Lucia and they want to show off the island and they want professional shots, you know. So we take shots, we take raw content, we create sometimes a reel for them. We also do like photo shoots, professional photos. You know how we do already. Lvmi Cloud.